Okay, it's recording.
Our dog went to the vet recently and got a shot, and she's removing the band-aid on her own. This is kind of interesting.
Yeah, and we're also watching film theory, so that's why there's audio going on in the background.
Yeah.
So cut that out. Beep. I'm cutting it out. I'm cutting out the audio that might be copywritten. She's almost got it. When she gets it off, then I'm gonna stop recording.
Oh, okay. That might take a while. I don't want to take a second.
I think she just pulled it back on.
Oh, she's trying to fight it off.
She can't pull it that way.
Yeah, well, she could if she knew how to bite it, hold on, and then pull her arm back. But she's trying to just rip it off.
I don't think that she can physically put her arm back.
Maybe she can't now.
Maybe just the way that dogs are meant to be, because whenever they're laying down, they can't really put their arm back.
Yeah. I'm trying to help. Yay!
Yay!
Don't eat it!
I might put this on YouTube.
Don't eat it! Don't eat the band-aid! God
Take it! There's the kid!